Hey guys, the man, the myth, the one and only Norman Lewis. So, we are here to discuss and build out together vocabulary through this very famous book called World Power Made Easy. So, vocabulary is an quintessential aspect in developing and growing in any stage of your career. So, if you are a student preparing for some exam, or you are working in a job and want to earn good salary or want to grow as a person, vocabulary is definitely an quintessential part of it. So, what Power Made is a simple step by step method that will increase your knowledge and mastery of the English language. And we are going to do a session every single day so that we can complete this whole book in just 2.5 months. So it is written that this book is will going to help you to speak and write with confidence, read more effectively and efficiently, learn quickly, develop social contacts, increase your earning power, and so on and so forth. So let's just dive deep down into this well of vocabulary and try to unearth precious metals out of it. So the book starts with this simple test that is going to help you judge your current state in terms of vocabulary stronghold. So let's start. Each of these phrases contains one italicized word. Check the closest definition of each such word. To keep your score valid, refrain as far as possible from wild guessing. So, talking about the first sentence, disheveled appearance. Now, guys, disheveled means untidy. It is not fierce, it is not foolish, it is not peculiar, it is not unhappy. Disheveled means untidy. And if I say disheveled appearance, it means an untidy appearance. Second is a baffling problem. So, baffling is confusing, it can be puzzling. So, it's not difficult, it is not simple, it's not long, it's not new. Baffling means puzzling. A lenient parent. So, lenient is a person who is not strict. So, it will be the answer. Repulsive personality. So, repulsive is the opposite of attractive. So, it's not attractive, it's not normal, it is not confused, it is not conceited, it is disgusting. Moving forward, talking about the audacious attempt. So, audacious is courageous, it is also bold. So, bold is the correct answer. Not useless, not foolish, not crazy, not necessary. Parry a blow. Parry a blow means to ward off a blow, to escape from that blow. So it's not fear, it's not expect, it's not invite, it's not ignore, it is ward off. Other one is the prevalent disease. So prevalent is something that is widespread, that is present at a greater area, or it has a greater reach. So prevalent means widespread. Ominous report. So ominous means something that has a negative connotation to it. So ominous is not loud, it's not threatening, it's not untrue, it's not serious. Ominous is unpleasant. Next is an incredible story. So incredible means something that cannot be believed in. Incredible is something that is mind blowing. So it's not true, it's not interesting, it's not well known, it is not unknown, it is unbelievable. 10th one is an ophthalmologist. So ophthalmologist is a doctor who treats eyes. So he's an eye doctor. It's not a skin doctor, it's not a food doctor, it's not a heart doctor, it's not a cancer specialist. It is an eye doctor. 11th one is will supersede the old law. So supersede means something that takes the place of. It means C, takes the place of. So it means that something is going to take the place of the old law. It is not enforcing, it is not specific, specify penalties. For it is not repel, it is not continue, it is take the place of. Other one is an anonymous donor. So anonymous is someone who is unknown or one whose name is not known. So this is an anonymous. Performed an autopsy. Autopsy is the examination of a corpse to determine the cause of death. And moving towards the next one, an indefatigable worker. So fatigue is tired. So if someone is indefatigable, it means he can work consistently for long hours. So he is tireless. So infatigable means tireless. Moving forward, a confirmed atheist. So atheist is a person who does not believe in God. So he is an atheist. So he's not a bachelor, he is not a believer in religion, he is not a believer in science, he is not a priest, he is a disbeliever in God. So we have concluded the practice session. You may or may not try to attempt it, this is completely your choice, but it just helps us to gain some traction of few of the new words that we have observed. So moving forward to the lessons, to the index of the book. So the whole book is divided into multiple sessions, and each session has some related words which discusses the understanding of these words through a technique called etymological approach. So this is not just a book to read how to learn to pronounce and new words correctly, how the etymological approach works better than any other method for learning words quickly and permanently, how to master nouns, verbs, adjectives and adverbs in 5 to 10 minutes, how to use the psychological principles of learning to sharpen your verbal skills. So etymology means, if we have let's say a word called so etymology is made up of two words. One part is or two parts. One part is logy and other one is etym So you might remember that we get a lot of suffix, a lot of words with the suffix called logy, like biology, and logical is other word that contains the same root. So these parts are different roots, and each root has certain meaning. So when we combine one root with other root, each root has some meaning, and when we combine these two different roots, we get a collective meaning of the combination, and the combination is the word that we have derived. So when we are going to read each and every word, we are going to understand the root or the roots that are involved in that word. So if we encounter any such root in any other word, it will be much easier for us to understand or at least construct the meaning of that word. So this is a wonderful technique that this book is using, and we are also going to play around. So we have part 1, how to test your present vocabulary, how vocabulary growth of an average adult compares with that of a children, a simple test to show you whether your vocabulary is below average, average or above average, excellent, superior in range, verbal speed, responsiveness, important evidence, close relationship between vocabulary and success, how to start building a vocabulary. The book has given a very good technique or a very good instruction to actually utilize it properly. So how to build your vocabulary with Enrich. which will enrich your thinking, increase your self-assurance in speaking, writing, and give you a better understanding of the world and of yourself. Why it is necessary to capture the powerful urge to learn? Why your age makes little difference? It just means that if you are a person who is 15 years of age, if you are a person who is 60 years of age, if you are a person in between or above and below, it does not really matter. If you are going to use this book verbatim, then you are definitely going to improve your vocabulary bank enormously. So starting from page 26, we are going to start with our first session. So how to talk with personality, how talk about doctors, and so on and so forth. In this way, we are going to dive down into the rabbit hole of this book. So before moving forward, I want all of you to do one thing. First of all, you must get a PDF of this book. It is available free. Free PDF available on online. Just Google it and you will get it. So first of all, you have to download a free PDF of this book. Secondly, before before reading each session of this book, just watch the video corresponding to the same session of this channel. So just watch the video in this channel, then go out, practice the same session by your own. Not only write it, but speak the words yourself. In this way, you will see that your grasping power for the same words are going to increase. So you have to use the combination of both video plus PDF. And video of all the sessions of this book will be provided by me. And we are going to start the first session soon. So subscribe this channel and start changing your life by equipping yourself with thousands of new words. This is going to change your personality forever. Thank you guys.